Hey, howdy, hey, y'all. It's version 2836 of What's on the Porch. Leanna here. I have more stuff. I have some friend mail and show you the front because it's got my address on it. This is from Kimmy's Boxes, and then I have an order from Beauty Bay. So excited about what's in this box. And at the end of the video, I will be adding in some lost friend mail files. I had done a video to add to a video of some friend mail, and then somehow I could not find the friend mail files. These are from February. But I want the people that sent me that friend mail to know that I did get it and open it and love it, and I even did a video about it, so I'm going to insert that at the end of this video. So let's start off with what Kimmy's Boxes sent me. Let me get in my blade. Love the dragonfly. It's a little tiny package, so it's not a pony. She sent me some dragonfly stickers. Look at how pretty they are. I love those. Love them. And she sent me a mask, a lace mask. Look how pretty that is. That's awesome. Rosewater infused hydrogel lace mask. I have seen her use that mask. So I'm excited about that. And then there's this bag. I don't know what's in there, but I think I might have an idea. I am not going to cry. My makeup looks too good. I refuse to cry today. Not happening. She sent me a little card. A little collard is what I almost said. Hello, 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 hello. Hey, boo. Lulu. She calls me Lulu. Just a few things to say thank you for being my friend. Love you, hun, Kim. And I got the rose. She drew me the rose. I love you too, Kim. You are just awesome. I'm not going to cry about whatever's in this red bag. I am not. Oh my gosh, look at how pretty those are. She sent me dragonfly earrings. And she sent me dragonfly earrings. Look at how pretty those are. Oh my gosh, they're pretty. I love those. Those are awesome. Thank you. Look at all the detail. They even have veining in the wings. Those are awesome. I love those. I am wearing those to work in the morning. These have like stones in the wings. Almost like black onyx and some type of yellow stone, which could be topaz for my November birthday. That's what I'm going to say it is. Topaz for my November birthday. I love that. Thank you. Lots of dragonfly juju. Love my dragonflies, y'all know. Beauty Bay. This is a big old box for what's in it. Look how big this box is. And it's got these two little things in it. So, I was on Facebook. Facebook or Instagram's always getting me in trouble. And in a Facebook group, and I know I pick on Andy a lot. So this time it was Andy and Tina because they're in this makeup group on Facebook, and I ended up in there too, and see, if I had never gone in that group, this would not have happened. But I was in that group. And this lady was talking about these two palettes. And these are not available in the United States. These were shipped to me from Europe somewhere. I don't know exactly where. But I had to have them. It's the BH Mystic Zodiac Sun palette and the Mystic Zodiac Moon palette. Especially since BH Cosmetics is going out of business. And I paid $26 a piece plus shipping. But I did get I had a coupon for $7.50 off. And I love the packaging. So pretty. And the inside says, today's horoscope, you're the center of the universe. I love that. And look at these shades. O, M to the G. Those are so pretty. But on their website, these palettes looked huge. But I'm fine with them not being. A huge palette can be very intimidating. So I am perfectly okay with them being this size. And here's the Mystic Zodiac Moon palette. Both of these palettes have 25 shades in them. And the inside of this one says, today's horoscope, you're lit up like a lunar eclipse. That's just too cute. And look at these shades. Oh my gosh, they are so pretty. How much time have we got? Should we swatch it? Just a couple, maybe? I like that they wrap that all the way around so it does not risk coming off. The pan sizes are really small too, which again doesn't bother me. And I like that there is no mirror. And of course, all of the names, you know, lunar, phase, crescent, waxing, space, full moon, rising, atmosphere, high tide, eclipse, they all go with the moon theme. So the first shade that is calling my name is this green. And it's a very light shimmer. It has a green shift to it. I don't know that that's going to show up a little bit, but. And then we're going to go into shadow, which is this pretty purple, which is kind of like what I have on. Oh, that's pretty. And I have to do this blue. Oh, look at that blue. Wow. What else? What else? What else? Let's do Twilight. That's Twilight. That's really pretty too. Very pretty. Waxing. I wasn't going to do another one. That has pink glitter in it. That's really pretty too. That blue looks like it wants to stain a little. So that's the Moon palette. And then the Sun. And I checked before I turned the camera on, and these palettes are still available on the Beauty Bay website. One of them is still $26. The Mystic Zodiac Moon palette is $26, but the Mystic Zodiac Sun palette is on sale for $15.60. And then it's like, let me see what I paid for shipping. It wasn't much. $6.50 to ship it. So that's not bad. Look at these reds and burgundies. Oof, that is so pretty. Andy, you need this for an upcoming Andy Leanna show collab. I'm just saying. Oh, look at how pretty that is. Oh, yes, please. And then that's called Afterglow. And of course I have to do this purple. That is called Supernova. And then Light Year. That's really pretty too. They're so pigmented and they're very soft, very, very pretty. So that was what was on the porch. Mystic, Zodiac, Moon, and Sun. Right up my alley. I'm super excited about those. And I love my earrings and my stickers and my mask from Miss Kim at Kimmy's Boxes. I will link Miss Kim below, and I will also link the Opinionated Horsewoman down below because she is one of the ones that sent me friend mail. And so now I'm going to insert the lost friend mail files here for your enjoyment. I have 2 cards from subscribers who won one of my giveaways, and they sent me thank you cards. This card is from Sally. It's a nice Valentine's card. It's got little felt hearts in it. Aren't they cute? Super cute. And it says, Dear Leanna, thank you so much for all my goodies. I love it all, Sally. Thank you so much, Sally, for sending me a thank you card. That was very sweet of you and so surprising. And then the other one came from Susan. And Susan makes her cards. This is a handmade card, and it is just beautiful. Look at how pretty that card is. I just love it. And on the inside of the card, she has this little card that says, a smile is the best makeup a girl can wear. How awesome is that? I just love that so much. And Susan said, hope this card finds you well. I want to thank you for my New Year's Eve giveaway prize. I love everything. I really enjoy watching your videos. And you have so much wisdom to share with your viewers. Thanks again, Susan. Thank you so much, Susan. I love this little card so much that I'm going to see if I can find a frame to put it in. To put it up. And I'm going to find something to do with this little card as well because I just love it. I love that. Love it, love it. So thank you so much, ladies. I was very surprised to get thank you cards, and I wanted to acknowledge that because I've had them for a little while. And then Stephanie, the Opinionated Horsewoman, sent me a card. I'm not going to show you the front because it's got my address on it. But look at all the pretty stickers. I'm guessing that this is a Valentine's card, and it feels a little thick, so I know how sneaky she is, so I'm going to be careful how I open this to make sure that I don't have glitter and who knows what else flying out of the card and all over the place. If I can get it open. Oops. I need to sharpen my blade. It is a Valentine's card. It's got a bunch of stuff in it. Look how pretty that is. Thanking happy thoughts, sending happy wishes, and lots of stickers and lots of glitter, and I didn't lose any of it. I'm so proud of myself that I didn't get the glitter everywhere. Well, it's not glitter, it's confetti. Oh gosh. so she filled it up on the inside. You can see the little shiny pieces of the confetti and all the pretty Valentine's stickers. Hoping you have a wonderful Valentine's Day. I love that, and I've got little heart confetti all over my desk here. It's so pretty. Thank you, Stephanie. She sent me a bunch of stickers. A little cow sticking its tongue out. And a sloth. Ooh! And a dinosaur. And lots of dragonflies, which I love all the dragonflies. I know y'all are wondering, what the heck is she laughing at? This was supposed to be a short video. Then she sent me this one. So, funny story. I don't know if I've told this story. I sent Sunny at Sunny's Place LLC a package. And she has told the story, and I wrote my address on it, you know, up in the corner. And my pen skipped. So my last name, I think it was my last name, Dalton, looked like I had written H-O. So Sunny messaged me and she's like, what does that say? It looked like I had written D-A-H-O. Duh-ho. Duh-ho. So it's been an ongoing joke, and Stephanie and Sunny, you know, call me Duh-ho. And she sent me this sticker that has ho on it, and she wrote a what the hell? That is freaking hilarious. I don't care who you are. So thank you so much, Stephanie, for my Valentine's card and all my pretty stickers and all my confetti and my little Duh-ho. You know, where I'm going to put this, I'll put this here somewhere where I can look at it and giggle. So that's today's edition of What's on the Porch. Don't forget, before you go, to hit that like button and show it a little bit of love. It really does help out my channel, and it sure would make my day. Go check out Kimmy's boxes and the Opinionated Horsewoman and Susan's Just Making It. She's the one that made the very, very pretty card for me. She also made me a journal. I'll link that video up in the iCard. Thank you for spending some time with me to watch what was on the porch. And as always, I'd like to remind you that makeup is meant to enhance the natural beauty that you already are. And we are all beautiful at any age and any size. Find something to be grateful for today. Pull your makeup out and play with it. And I'll see y'all next time. Bye-bye. Christopher? I have a feeling that Kim got these earrings from Shein. I will send you the link to the Shein website so that you can get you some. Is your ears pierced? Are your ears pierced? Because you could wear these fishing. They almost look like they might be glow in the dark, and if you're fishing at night, oh no, that might be bad, because then the lightning bugs might be attracted, and you know, in the spring, and everything's, you know, Twitter-pated, and then the lightning bugs will be trying to, you know, be lovey-dovey. Yeah, that might be bad juju on your ears. Never mind. Mama loves you, boo.